Hey coders, welcome back to DevByteSchool Day 14 session of Mastering in Angular. Previously, we have successfully created a single blog page and we have called the dynamic data for particular blog ID. In this session, we will see how do we render all our dynamic data to HTML page. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we have this data. Now how we will keep our structure. In my opinion, on the top, it should be the title. It should be followed by one image that is we are getting from API. After that, we will display the description over there. So let's see. So what I suggest that every time you implement the dynamic data, just create one static page and see if your design is correct or not, and then just make it dynamic. Okay. Also try to use maximum classes from the bootstrap and try to minimize your inline CSS. That will also improve the quality of code and you will get hands-on on the bootstrap classes and you will save your efforts. So let's first declare one container over here. Inside the container, we will make one row. Inside the row, we will have one div with called where we will display our heading. Okay, let's see h1. Okay, inside the h1 we will see this will be the title. Let's make it into center for the say for aligning the text to the center. We use text center class. Okay, great. Now we need to keep some margin from the top. MT2. It 4. Great. Now what next? I think we need to make this into the card so that it will look nice. So just surround this with the card and always refer to the official website in case you're not sure for the classes. So let's use this one. So instead of directly declaring, I'm using the card and we will display everything inside the card. So the UI will look particularly nice. So just give some space from the top empty 4. Okay. Okay, great. Now inside the card body, we will keep it as a H2 and this will be our title. Okay, so let's keep it on center. To do that, we are having class text center. Let's remove this image. Okay. After title, we need an image over here. So we simply use this image. So to make this image responsive, we have class image fluid is img fluid. Okay. Let's keep alternate text for now. After that, inside the paragraph, we have to give our description. All right. Description. Okay. So this will be our structure. So let's make this data dynamic. Let's make one property as blog details. Okay. And assign our result.data over here. So let's declare this one. So we have this data. Now all of our response is collected into this blog details. And now we are going to use this into our HTML page. Let's see what data we have here. Blog ID is there and okay, title. In order to call a title over here, we can write like blog details dot title and double curly bracket are used to interpolation. So it is one type of data binding. If you're not sure what is data binding, please refer to that once and come back. Basically, data binding is to flow the data between component and view. So let's see if it is working. Okay, so our heading is dynamically occurred. So let's see how do we render image over here. So in order to implement that, we use blog details dot. We are having image URL over here. So just copy that one. Okay. As this image is coming from the server, we need to append domain to that. Okay. So we will give HTTP colon DevByteSchool.com, which is the default server over here, and appended by block detail dot image URL. So let's see how this works. Okay, great. So image is appended over here. Since image is quite large, I'm going to define one height over here. Style max height equal to 350 pixel. Okay. So let's see what happens. So it fits into that particular height and make this align center. We fit this into div class called 12. Okay. And we add text center over here and surround image by div. Let's see. Okay. So it's come into middle. You can define maximum height by your own, but as a front-end developer, you must ensure that your image should not cover whole the page. The content next to it should be visible. Okay. So let's append the description as well. Now, as you can see, the description we are having is not in the normal format, it is the HTML format. Okay. To append the HTML, we need to use inner HTML. In order to do that, we use inner HTML. Okay. Because we are having data into the HTML format. And what detail we are going to provide? Block detail dot description. Let's try to run our code. See, amazing. So we have collected the block data dynamically. And as you can see on the screen, we have successfully created single block page. So the title is dynamic, image is dynamic, and then followed by description. Okay. Isn't this look great? So let's try with other blocks as well. See, this is also working fine. Okay. Yeah, so our code is successfully implemented. I will suggest you that you implement this code on your own as well, and you will get the better result. With the completion of single block page, we end today's session over here and we will meet in the next video. If you like our video, please share with your friends and colleagues. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading new video, you will get the notification for that. Also join our Telegram group. QR code is visible on the screen. Link is also provided into description. We are going to share all the interview tips, all the resources and our new updates over there. If you are still having any doubt or you are facing some issue while implementation, just let me know in the comment section and we will try to resolve this as soon as possible. We will meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding.